what? Aren't you tired?
I feel like everything exciting happens in the night, and I'm missing it because I'm asleep.
Nighttime is very beautiful because of the quiet and the moon and the stars. Our bodies and our brains need sleep to recharge and to grow so that we can be our best during the day.
I can be my best even without sleep.
Is that right?
How will I know if I don't try?
All right, honey, if you want to stay awake all night long, you go right ahead. Just don't leave the barnyard, okay?
I won't, Julie. There will be enough exciting things happening right here. Guess what? I'm staying up all night long. Looky, we aren't allowed. We have to go to sleep at night. So do we. Well, ask your mom if you can stay up all night. Julie said I can, just this once. Can we stay up all night? Can we? Can we stay up all night with Honey, please?
You'll be tired and grouchy all day tomorrow if you don't sleep.
We won't. We will be happy. We need to stay up all night with Honey and the piglets, please.
This is silly. Everyone needs sleep so that they can do everything that they need to do.
We don't need sleep. We don't.
Well, all right, off you go then, off you go. Just don't leave the barnyard. Please keep the noise down to a dull roar so the rest of us sensible animals can get some sleep.
You won't hear a sound, not one peep. Are you staying awake all night too? Yes, we are. And us. We wouldn't miss this for the world. I've always wondered what happens in the night. Now we're going to find out. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at me! Look at me! Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's play hide and go seek. I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ready or not, here I come.
Well, listen here, you flea-bitten varmints. You need to get some sleep, 'cause I need my beauty rest.
Sugar. Simon says twitch your ears. Simon says blink your eyes. Simon says move your mouth. Stomp your feet. Oh, you all lose. Go!
How many times have I told you kids? Keep it down. People are trying to sleep.
Let's go into the spooky dark. I'm supposed to stay in the barnyard. We're all supposed to stay in the barnyard. We won't go far into the spooky dark, just a little bit far. Spooky dark, spooky dark. We want to see the spooky dark. I don't like the spooky dark. There's nothing to be afraid of. Let's go see it. Nope, too scary, too scary, too scary. Let's stay in the barnyard like we were told.
Rise and shine. Good morning. It's morning.
I can't.
Oh, just let me sleep.
My head hurts.
My body hurts.
My brain can't even think. I'm so grouchy I could peck your face.
I thought you didn't need sleep.
Sleep, sleep good. Nighttime is exciting, but I need sleep. You were right.
All right. Rest for a while, love. Tonight we will go to sleep at bedtime.
Yes, please. Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.